The 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, bed liner, CD player, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.